2021 Hyundai Venue. Gonna reset the oil change reminder light. So we're gonna turn the key on, engine off. Down here on the steering wheel, there's a menu button. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to push this menu button until we get over the little star wheel. Then we're gonna use the up and down arrow. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna go down to interval. Then we're gonna push OK into the service interval. Focus. Then we're going to go down to reset. Reset time and distance. That message keeps popping up. And then we're going to press yes. Reset time and distance, yes. Adjust interval. So we're at 8,000 months. That's fine. And we have the interval set on. So now that we can back out. We can push our menu button here again to go back to the original screen where the customer had it, and should be good. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.